How to fix audio on Roblox Mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you to the steps in order to fix it. So let's just get started. For that, let's head over to Roblox application first. So when you first head over to Roblox application and log in into your account, and once you are logged in, if you are playing any kind of game within Roblox app, you can just use your volume buttons on your device and increase or decrease the volume depending upon your own interest. So you can just go ahead and do so, and that way you can go ahead and increase or decrease the volume, and make sure you have not muted the volume in your games. Apart from that, what you can do is you can upload the app, or let's say clear cache. So for that, you can find the application Roblox, go ahead and long press on it. And from here, go to the info section at the top, app info, open it up. And once you open it up, you may scroll through the given options and look out for storage option and click on it. And once you do so, you can go ahead and clear the cache and also clear the data if necessary. And that will help you do so. Apart from that, there are other methods available as well. So for that, what you can do is try restarting your device or even updating your application to the latest version so that you won't be having any glitches that may be causing the audio issues. And that's it. For now, you may follow up these methods if you'd like to fix that issue. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.